Watch out, watch out. Here we go.
Oh, shit.
I got this one right here. I got the left one, you got the right one. That boy Jackson? No, that's this one.
Yeah. Mine's straight
Woo!
across.
First wedge. Ace. Good boy. Come here. Come here. Good boy. Good boy, Ace. Good boy, Ace. Good boy. Drop it. Drop it. Here. 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 Good boy. Good boy. Got me a mallard. Good boy. Ace. He's getting better at it.
That was good. Dude, these drakes are pretty today. That, I can already tell. That's good boy. Hold it.
Did I dust him? Hey, up front.
Up front, up front.
I've never seen that many. Hey, I hit something. Here's a feather. Oh my, yes. Oh no, I got nice little easy. Oh, 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 yeah. Looking like a gadwall. Yeah. It's a nice gadwall. Nice gadwall. Been a while. Sweet. I need some two shot. He should have been dusted. I hit that one, didn't I? I know you got that one. I thought I hit that one. Oh, right up front. Yes! I don't know if it's because I didn't think about it or if it's because I did. It's okay. One on the right coming in. Possibly. A couple of, oh, yep, one on the right. Hi, baby. Hey. Maybe two ducks hidden in there. Yeah, it is. In the back, in the back, in the back. I got one.
Hey. Hey. Ace's first can. Woo.
Cans are in, baby. Good job.